Hello everyone, welcome back to another insightful video with Jason Moats. Today we're exploring the fascinating world of digital nomads and the evolving future of work. This isn't just another discussion about working from anywhere, we're delving deeper. We're focusing on artificial general intelligence, or AGI, and how it's set to transform the landscape for digital nomads, freelancers, and anyone embracing the remote lifestyle. Companies like OpenAI and Google's DeepMind are pushing the boundaries of innovation, and it's both an exciting and slightly daunting prospect. Whether you're a seasoned digital nomad or just beginning to explore remote work, this video is for you. We'll break down the benefits, challenges, and everything in between regarding AGI and its impact on our work and travel. Let's dive in. So, before we jump into the nitty-gritty of how AGI is changing the game for digital nomads, let's take a step back and really define what we're talking about here. I mean, we hear AI thrown around a lot these days, right? You've got your smart assistants, your recommendation algorithms, your spam filters, all powered by AI. But AGI, this is a whole different ballgame. See, traditional AI, it's really good at specific tasks, right? It can learn to play chess like a grandmaster or translate languages with incredible accuracy, but it's limited to that one specific domain. AGI, on the other hand, aims to replicate the broad cognitive abilities of the human mind. We're talking about machines that can reason, solve problems, learn new things, and adapt to new situations, all without being explicitly programmed for those specific tasks. Think about it like this: your favorite AI-powered writing assistant, it can help you craft a killer blog post, but it can't turn around and have a philosophical debate about the ethics of artificial intelligence. AGI, theoretically, could do both. It's that whole general-purpose intelligence thing that sets it apart. Now, we're not quite there yet. AGI is still very much in its early stages of development, but the progress being made is mind-blowing. Companies like OpenAI, with their GPT models, and Google's DeepMind, they're making headlines with AI that can generate human-quality text, write code, even create art. And this rapid advancement, it's got everyone talking, especially in the tech world, because the implications are huge. Alright, so let's dive into the good stuff. How is AGI actually making life better for digital nomads? It's all about efficiency and opening up new possibilities. AGI automates tedious tasks like managing bookings, finding the best deals on flights and accommodation, and dealing with different currencies and languages. This frees up our time to focus on work, passions, and exploring the world. Imagine planning a trip to Bali. Instead of hours researching, you tell your AI assistant, "I want to spend 2 weeks in Bali next month." Your personalized itinerary is ready in minutes. And it's not just about travel. AGI can boost productivity and creativity. Imagine an AI writing assistant that helps with grammar, SEO, and translations. Tools like Jasper and Copy.ai are making this a reality. And as AGI evolves, expect even more advanced features. These tools level the playing field for digital nomads, allowing us to compete with larger companies without needing a huge team. Okay, so we've covered the good, but let's be real. No technology is without its downsides. And AGI, with all its potential, is no exception. In fact, for digital nomads, there are some unique challenges that AGI brings to the table. First and foremost, let's address the elephant in the room: job displacement. AGI's ability to automate tasks, even complex ones, could lead to certain digital nomad jobs becoming obsolete. Virtual assistants, translators, even some content creators could find themselves competing with AI that can do their jobs faster and cheaper. And this isn't some far-off dystopian future. We're already seeing the early stages of this play out. So the question becomes, how do we future-proof ourselves in a world where AGI is constantly raising the bar? Well, one answer is to focus on skills that are uniquely human. Creativity, critical thinking, emotional intelligence, these are all areas where AI still struggles to compete. Digital nomads who can offer these skills, whether it's through innovative problem-solving, strategic thinking, or building strong relationships with clients, will always be in demand. Another challenge is the potential for increased competition. As AGI levels the playing field, making it easier for anyone to start an online business or offer their services remotely, digital nomads may find themselves competing in a much larger global marketplace. This means we need to be even more strategic about our niche, our branding, and how we differentiate ourselves from the crowd. It's not enough to be good at what you do. You need to be exceptional, offering something unique that sets you apart from the AI-powered competition. And finally, there are the ethical considerations. As AGI becomes more sophisticated, questions around data privacy, algorithmic bias, and the responsible use of AI become increasingly important. So we've talked about the good, the bad, and the potentially challenging. Now the big question, how do we as digital nomads thrive in an age of AGI? How do we future-proof ourselves in our careers? Well, first off, embrace the change. Don't fear it. AGI is here to stay, and the sooner we adapt and learn to leverage its power, the better off we'll be. Think of it like this. The internet revolutionized the way we work and live, and those who adapted thrive. The same goes for AGI. It's not about being replaced, it's about evolving. So how do we evolve? Well, for starters, focus on continuous learning. The skills that are in demand today might not be the same ones needed tomorrow. Make a commitment to lifelong learning, constantly upgrading your skills and staying ahead of the curve. And don't just focus on technical skills. Remember what we talked about earlier? Human skills like creativity, critical thinking, emotional intelligence, these are going to be more valuable than ever in an AGI-driven world. Cultivate those skills. Find ways to express your creativity, whether it's through writing, design, music, whatever lights you up. So, there you have it, a glimpse into how AGI is shaping the future of digital nomadism. It's a future full of possibilities, challenges, and a whole lot of adaptation. But one thing's for sure, it's going to be an exciting ride. As digital nomads, we're already wired for change, for embracing new technologies and ways of working. AGI is just the next step in our evolution, and by embracing it, by learning, adapting, and constantly pushing ourselves, we can thrive in this new world. Until next time, keep traveling, keep learning, and keep adapting. Peace out.